I have two good news for all Pundix holders. Yeah, my brother, this is very good for everyone, especially for Pundix holder who invest for a long time. Absolutely, Pundix is completely falls down and just and only my friend from last month. So therefore, what we do, my friends, and what's the good news? The two good news, my friends. Today we talk about the good news is all right. So let's check out, my friends, and also I predicate this coin. I also give you update. So everything I give you, so kindly you need if you need this type of informative video, then kindly you just subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much. My friends, change occurred. You can see here minus 13.38% in the last 24 hours. You can see here the fails down and the price will be very fastly decreased now. My friends, you know they just only hit $1 in the one day. This is an incredible change occurred, my friend. You can see here every time, my friends, they take a jump. Absolutely, after a fails, they take a jump. So this is the first good news is that, my friends, you can see here after a fails, they take a jump. So it's mean to upcoming time there is a more chances to they take a very good jump and they will give you very good profit. So you need to hold. You need to just hold for the end of this month, because in the end of month every cryptocurrency is moving up like a rocket and they will give you very good profit. So if you can say, my friends, absolutely every cryptocurrency is moving like a rocket. So definitely Pundix is one of my favorites, especially from last year, especially the 2-3 months ago, my friends, to I invest in the Pundix, my friends. Therefore I decided, my friends, to when you complete my 10,000 subscribers. The second good news is that, my friends, to when you complete my 10,000 subscribers, just 1,000 subscribers needed, then I do a giveaway of Pundix. Yes, my brother, 100 coin, my friends, of Pundix. I do a giveaway, my friends. So the giveaway is coming soon. You need to hold absolutely, and absolutely if you subscribe this channel, exactly, my friend, I do a giveaway. So kindly you subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.